Now let's talk about value stream and value stream mapping. Let's start with the definition of a value stream. A value stream is a set of actions that take place to add value to a customer from the initial request through realization of value by the customer. The value stream begins with the initial concept, moves through the various stages of development, and continues through delivery and support. A value stream always begins with the customer and ends with the customer. Value stream mapping helps company control their information system and materials flow so they are able to make only what and when their customer need. The map is a high-level process map that helps consolidating activities and processes, and later identify key areas where improvements are needed. Value stream mapping allows companies to quickly gain understanding where potential waste can build across the end-to-end processes. Value stream mapping is a visual tool. It assists in streaming the processes, improving the flow of the information, and helps understand the processes better. You may want to create a future value map based on the current processes, and that will serve as a blueprint for future improvements. Now we know what value stream mapping is. Let's review the most common symbols that are used in creating value stream maps. There are many tools to build value stream maps. However, I will use Draw.io. It is a cloud-based tool. It is free and does not require much training to use it. Open your browser and navigate to Draw.io and create a new file. Then save it on your hard disk. In the search box, type value stream and you will see the most commonly used symbols, and the tooltip will provide the symbol description. The first most commonly used symbol is a process symbol with process description. A triangle is used to depict inventory. A truck symbol is used for transportation. In Draw.io software, you can also find airplane or a ship if you want to describe type of transportation. Operator is depicted as a circle with a half circle around the smaller one. Next, process arrow and shipping arrow. Electronic information arrow with communication frequency in the center. Customer or supplier symbol, and in the middle you can type the description of them. Finally, glasses, which stands for Go and See instructions. There are many more symbols that you can research on the left-hand side of the tool palette. Value Stream Map is a great business tool. It is a great way to isolate, communicate, and quantify what is value versus waste. Value stream mapping is also known as material and information flow mapping, is a lean management method for analyzing the current state and designing a future state for the series of events that take a product or service from the beginning of the specific process until it reaches the customer. A value stream map is a visual tool that displays all critical steps in a specific process and quantifies the time and volume taken at each step. Value stream map shows the flow of both materials and information as they progress through the process. A value stream map represents a core business process that adds value to the material product. A value chain diagram shows an overview of all activities in the company. Let's look at an example of value stream mapping from manufacturing perspective. As you can see, there are three key areas on the VSM: information flow, material flow, and the lead time ladder. A customer sends an order once a month to the production control system. Production control will be sending weekly orders to the suppliers for raw materials, which will be delivered to the process A once a week. The yellow triangle indicates inventory, and for the process A, the inventory is 1,783. Note that the process A, as well as other processes, require an operator, and that is indicated by the operator symbol. Also note that the arrows between processes are indicating process flow using process arrows. Under each process, there is a table with the information summary. For the process A, CT cycle time is 300 seconds. CO changeover time is 60 minutes. Uptime is 80%. Availability is 27,000 seconds. A very important part of VSM is the lead time ladder. After all, that is what we're going to improve. On the top step of the ladder, there is a wait time between processes. On the lower step, the actual cycle time. On the right-hand side, there is a table summarizing up, wait time, and process time. Next, we'll talk about cycle time, lead time analysis, and calculations.